I really want to make a server for me and my buddies, but I'm noticing like I have the paper. I really do want to add plugins to the server and make sure, it's really, really good server. So, I heard paper allows me to add the spigot and the plugin and the bucket plugins. So, me and my friends can have more fun. But, I think I'm going to go with the vanilla one instead because I just think it's a lot better. This server allows me to do a lot of things. Okay, so next, I think what I should do is I'm gonna, I guess, create a folder for this. Like this. Okay, perfect. Okay, so I have this server.jar. Okay, so I do have Java installed. Okay. I'm gonna put this in here. Beautiful. Best server ever. Alright. Let's launch this thing. Let's start playing, man. Let's launch it. Wow, that was easy. Already creating the server, no problem, man. Okay. Nothing happened. Okay. That's awesome. It's exactly what we like to see. Alright. I got these files. I guess okay, so we have to set this to true, I guess. Let's save this. Let's run it. Man, me and my friends are gonna have so much fun on the server. If it runs. I'm gonna be able to install so many plugins, have so much fun. Grab the world edit, all of that. Come on, server. There we go. Oh yeah, now we're rocking. Let's go and run it with the following command. Wait, what is this? What does this mean? Why do we have to do that? Wait, is this like the proper way of running it with this command? It says to run it with the following command. Okay, I don't really know what that means, but we're creating our beautiful plugin server. We're all good to go. We have Java installed. That's beautiful. Our server's almost created. I'll just be able to send my friend my private IP, and they'll be able to join, no problem. Look at that. The server's done. Let's stop it. Beautiful. Look at that. We just created ourselves. Wait. Where do I install plugins? There's no plugins? How do I... What the heck is going on? So I don't get it. Like, this is how we're supposed to run the server, I guess? This way? I don't really know what this does. The following command. Should you want to start the server with its graphic user interface and leave out the NUGU part? No GUI. I don't know what that means. Okay, we're just gonna run the server like we normally always do. We're not just gonna create a command run.bat here because why would we do that? That is not a way to run the server when you can just double click it. So I'm gonna go ahead and send my friends my private IP and they'll be able to join, no problem, man. Beautiful. Got the best server. I mean, some reason I can't install plugins, but I guess that works. At least we have Java. At least, we got it going at least. And I think we're good to go, man. Beautiful. Best Minecraft server ever, dude. Ever. Beautiful. Who needs plugins anyways, right? Seems like not a proper way to... How do I do commands? There's nothing to do with this. Okay, well, that works fine, I guess. I mean, we got the server. We're all good to go. Don't need to create this run.bat. We'll skip that. We got our beautiful server with no plugins when we could have just went with the paper and still got, any type of plugin we wanted. But you know, we decided to download the server. Started with the server dot right here. We just double clicked it, and we're all good to go, I guess. So I guess I just have to set my friends the IP, and we're good to go.